Let's get something straight, Jolly Black Giant. When you join our platoon, you become ours. We are one. We think like one. We work as one. We move as one. You dig?
Sure.
The one thing nobody does in this platoon is smile, you jolly motherfucker. We all mad bad mothers. The only thing that makes us smile is killing. Dig?
I got it.
Your new girlfriend's an AK-47. That means you need to get rid of your useless bitch M16.
The AK?
M16. Get it wet, doesn't shoot. Get a little mud in it, doesn't shoot. Fuck, I fart in that damn thing, doesn't shoot. Miss AK-47. You can swim with her. You can turn her into a bat. You can fuck Miss AK-47 all night long. Miss AK-47 still gonna shoot all damn day. Some guys don't want to give up their M16s. They like what daddy government gives to them. We carry AK-47s all the time. Does that make us un-American? Or does that make us survivors?
Survivors? Where do I get my AK-47?
You get your own AK-47. After you get your first kill. That's the only way to become a member. Just like the fucking Mickey Mouse Club. Instead of ears, you get ammo for your bitch.
Then let's get my AK-47.
Jolly Black Giant motherfucker. Ho, ho, ho. God.